All right, so I'll be sharing my screen now. Um, no. All right, so I've sent the file now to the chat box. Go and download it. Once you have downloaded it, you open it. Have you guys seen the file? Have you guys seen the file?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you download the file and you open it as a scratch. Okay, just download it first. I'll show you how to open it. Just download it first, everybody. Israel, have you seen the file?
Yes, sir.
Samuel, what about you? Have you seen the file?
Yes, sir.
All right, so I'm going to share my screen. I'll show you how to upload the file. So let me share. All right, so now this is my scratch, my TurboWap environment now. So I'm going to upload the file. So I'll come up here to this file, click on the file up. You will see load from your computer. Click on the file, you will see load from your computer. So click on the load from your computer, and then you go to your downloads. You will see the file I sent to you called quiz. So I have seen my file here called the quiz file. Then click on the quiz file and then click on open. Now you have gotten all the questions for our quiz. Whenever you have done it successfully.
Done it.
Sir, I've
Okay.
done it. I have done it.
All right, so we all have this file here. So now, remember it's a quiz game. So let's bring one more sprite. Let me look for the sprites. Let's bring out one more sprite. So I say, let me go to people. You can bring any sprite of your choice as well. I'm just trying to look for my sprites. Oh, you need to bring out Danny. Okay. So this is Danny here. Have you ever brought out your sprites? Have you ever brought out your sprites?
Yes, sir.
So reduce the size of the sprite to 70. Reduce the size of the sprite to 70. Then so I want the two sprites to face themselves. So I want it to face themselves. So I'm going to go to my costume and I'll flip it. Remember I taught you guys about flipping horizontal, flipping vertical as well. So I'm going to flip horizontal. All right, so you can see now it's they are facing themselves now. Okay.
Hello, Mr. Samuel.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it's not this quiz game that I told you about. This is their own suggestion. What I told you is the 10 quick question with timer. 10 quick question quiz game with timer. 10 quick question quiz game with timer.
That is what we are
This is
creating.
Hmm?
That is what we are going to create now. This is the questions here.
No, not this one with list. Not this one with list. The one that I told you doesn't have list. Let me send it to you, please. It's very, this is a bit advanced. Just hold on a second. I'm sending it now. Sorry about that. I thought you saw what I sent to you. You understand the description. So let me just, I'm almost there now. So, documents. You're going to get it now. Yeah. Here's my WhatsApp. This was supposed to be for what they should be using for their projects. It's an idea for their project. This is the one that I sent to you. Just taking forever. It has a timer. You're teaching them how to create a countdown timer clock. After the countdown timer clock, you're teaching them how to use randomization to create a quiz, and then how to merge everything together. This is a bit, two reasons why this is not recommended for now. It's for the third month, month 3. It's supposed to be for month 3, not for month 2. Going now, just I've sent it, just you should get it now. Have you? On your WhatsApp somewhere. Have you gotten it?
I want to check it out.
Okay. Sorry I bumped into your class. I just need to set that straight.
No problem, bro. Okay, I just hold on. Let me just try and get this on my system.
Oh, Why is it oh no. Wrong. Again it's wrong. Why is it showing? Please, Mr. Samuel, just continue. Just continue with your class. Just
Okay.
continue with your class, please.
So let me share my screen.
Wrongly named. Just wrongly named.
All right, so like I was saying, let's go back to our first sprite, the Devin sprite. So let's go back to our sprites. You can see we have already created the variables. We have the correct answer variable, we have math variable, question, and timer variable. So all these are the variables we are going to be making use of in our game now. So we are going to set a timer for 120 seconds. Sir? Sir?
I have sent that the demo, the one that has demo. 10 quick question with timer app demo. That's the one that it's short and it's easier. Yes.
Okay, I'll check it
Let me
now.
delete this one. Yes. I don't want to take them into something complex until you're done with the basics. Thank you. Sorry, guys. Sorry.
All right, guys, just hold on, please. Let me just try and update my quiz app first before I send it to you all. Recording. Now, remember I told you that we're going to set a timer for our question. So, first of all, bring out our one flag clicked. Now, the first thing is to set our timer. So go to variable and bring out set timer to 120. So bring out the set correct answer, you change it to timer. Set timer to 120. Now, after setting your timer to 120, then you bring out a forever block. Bring out a forever block. And then you can now add your wait 1 second. Wait 1 second. And then after waiting 1 second, we need to change our timer by 1 because the timer would always reduce itself. So we're going to add change timer by -1. So go to your variable now and bring out change. So you change this to timer. And then you change this to -1. How many of you have done this one now like this?
So I have done this one.
You have done it and you click on the flag, you would see that the timer is counting now. You can see my screen as well. The timer is counting. It is decreasing. So it's like a quiz game. So when it gets to 0, the quiz would stop. So that's the first step to set our timer. Israel, what about you? Have you done it as well?
Yes, sir.
All right. So now we have done our timer. Now the next thing is to add if the timer is equal to 0. Because now if the time continues to count and it gets to 0, it will start to count by -1, -2, -3, and forever. But I want it to stop whenever it gets to 0. So we need to set a limit for the time up. Okay. So now I'm going to bring out an if then block. So go to your control section and bring out the if then, and then fix it down next to the change timer by -1. Now, after bringing it out, we're going to fix in this blank space the equal to operator. So go to your operators and then you bring out the equal to sign. You can see it there, equal to 50. Equal to 50. Now, what we are going to write in our code is if timer equal 0, then say time up. That's what we're going to write in our code now. If timer equals 0, then say time up. All right, so let's start with the if timer equals 0 first. So go to your variables and then bring out the timer variable inside the blank space. Bring out the timer variable inside the blank space and then we change the 50 to 0. We change the 50 to 0. So now you can see we have the if timer equals 0 now. Then the next thing is to add the say times up. Say times up. So we go to looks and then bring out the say hello. Not the say hello for 2 seconds. Just bring out the say hello this time. And now you change the hello to times up. Change the hello to times up. Like this. So you can see we have gotten the times up. So now whenever the time gets to 0, it is going to be times up. or time up rather. So have you all done this?
Yes, I've done it.
Israel,
Yes,
how
sir.
about
I've
you?
done it. I've done it, sir.
All right, so now the next step is to add the final score. After the time's up, is to add what you got, sum up everything together, and then give you a final result. Okay, so now we're going to add wait 3 seconds. After the say time's up, bring out wait 3 seconds again. So bring out the wait 3 seconds. After the time's up, change this to 3. And then you bring out a say block. Go to looks and bring out your say hello and put it right next to the wait 3 seconds. Now, what we are going to do in the say hello, we're going to join some stuff inside. So bring out our first join apple and banana. So go to operator and put your first join there. So put your join like this. And then you change the banana there to out of 10 questions. Out of 10 questions. You change it to out of 10 seconds, 10 questions, sorry. Out of 10 questions. Change the banana to out of 10 questions. Now, for the apple, we are going to join one more join apple and banana there. So we're going to add another join inside the apple. Inside the apple. You have to be careful. Inside the apple. So I have it like this. Now for the apple for the apple that we have here, you change the apple to you got. So you got. You got. Then we go to variables and bring out correct answer inside the banana. Correct answer inside the banana. So basically what we are saying is you got whatever your answer is out of 10 questions. So that is what this code is now used for. Correct question is a variable that we have created earlier on. So bring out your correct answer variable there. Zoom out and arrange my work properly. Have you guys done this? Have you all done this?
Yes, sir.
All right, so that's not all. Now we need to also set a timer for the questions, because we just only want to have 10 questions displaying. So I don't want the question should be more than 10. So we need to set a limit for the question. Yes, let's set a limit for the question first. So let's bring out if then block again. So go to your control section and bring out the if then block, and then you put it in between like this, inside the forever, but inside in between like this. So put it right here. Not inside the other if then. So you have to be very careful with that. So now what we're going to write here is if question counter equals 10, then say finish. If question counter equal 10, then say finish. Now, question counter is a variable that we have created. Now, for us to get that, we need to first of all add the equal to operator signs. So go to your operator and bring out equal to 50 first. Bring out the equal to 50 first. Then you can now go to your variable. Then you can now go to your variable where you would find correct question counter in your variable. Where you'd find question counter in your variable. So bring out the question counter and then you put it in the first blank. Put it in the first blank. Put it in the first blank. Now for the 50, you change the 50 to 10. Because I just want only 10 questions. I want only 10 questions. So I'll change the 50 now to 10. Now say finished. So go to your looks now. Go to the looks and bring out the say hello. Now change the hello to finished. Finished with the ed. Now wait 3 seconds. Now what I want you to do now, let's see. So So what I want you to do now is to duplicate this block that we have done here, this say join. Go to this say join, move your mouse to the say join. Now, right click there, you will see duplicate. Move your mouse to the say. The first say join, you got correct answer, stuff like that. Now click on it, right click on it. Right click on it. You will see duplicate. So duplicate it. You can see I have two of it now. I'll bring it downwards and I'll put it after the wait 3 seconds. Have you guys done it? Have you guys done it?
Yes, sir.
Israel, what about you?
Yes, sir.
All right, so now let's move on to the next code. All right, so I'm going to move to we are still on the same sprite, the Devin sprite. So I'm going to bring out another when flag clicked. Bring out another when flag clicked. Now, when the flag is clicked, I want us to set correct answer to 0 and set question counter to 0. So we can get all that in the variables. We can get all that in the variables. Set correct answer to 0 and set question counter to 0. The first is correct answer, while the second is question counter. Now, since we just want to have just 10 questions, we are going to repeat this 10 times. So bring out your repeat block. Now go back to your variable and bring out set match. So click on the correct score. You would see the correct answer. You will see set match. So change it to set match to 0. So bring out the set match. Go to your variable, click there. Click on the options you have there and click on the match. Now you have set match to 0. But now we are not setting the match to 0. We are setting the match to pick random 1 to 20. Pick random 1 to 20. So let's go to operators and bring out the pick random 1 to 10. It's in your operators. Put it in the 0, and then you can change the 10 now to 20. Now, we are going to bring out ask and wait. Ask and wait. So go to sensing. Go to sensing, you will see ask and wait. Ask what is your name and wait. So bring that out. Ask what is your name and wait. Now, what you are going to ask is in your variables. It's called item. Let me see. You scroll down. You see a list. You scroll down, you will see, keep scrolling, you keep scrolling. You will see item, pin of answer. Or item, bring out this item one of answer. You can see this item one of answer here. If you go to your variable and you scroll down into the list, you will see this item one of answer. So bring it and put it inside what is your name. Bring it and put it inside what is your name. Now you change the answer to question. Click on the answer here, and then you change it to question. So have you all done it up to this point now?
Yes, sir.
Israel, have you done it up to this point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, after changing this to question here, then we can now see broadcast, say answer. So go back to your event. Let's broadcast a new message now. Go to events and click on broadcast new message. And then you type say answer in your new message. Say answer. And then you can now bring it out. Broadcast say answer, put it down here. Now you can now bring out wait 1.5 seconds out. Bring out the wait 1 second, change it to wait 1.5. Now, we are going to bring out the if then block. So go to control and bring out the if then. Now what you're going to write here is if answer equals to item match of answer, then that one is a bit complex, but it is easy as well. So first of all, let's go to your operator and bring out the equal to 50. Go to operator and bring out equal to 50. Now for the first blank space here, it will be answer. So go to sensing and bring out answer in sensing. Now for the 50, you go back to your variable and then you scroll down. Go to your variable and then you scroll down and then bring out item 1 of answer and put it inside the 50. So you have the code like this. Are you back now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now say correct for 1 second. For 1 second. So go to your looks. Go to looks and bring out say hello for 2 seconds. Put it in here. Then you change the hello to correct. For 1 second. So the reason why we are doing this is so whenever you get a correct answer, your correct answer would increase because we have a variable called correct answer. So it stores all the correct answers that the one you have gotten correctly. It stores it there. So we're going to bring out change correct answer by 1. So go to your variable and bring out change correct answer by 1. So whenever you get a correct answer, your correct answer variable would increase by 1. So everybody, I want you to zoom out now, first of all. Zoom out and bring out this if then, like this. This if then that we have here. So bring it out separately like this. Bring out this if then. for this one we are doing now, bring it out. Go to your control and bring out if then else. There is a block called if then else. If then else. So put it inside the block like this. So remove the if then and bring out the if then else. Have you all done it?
Yes, sir.
Israel, have you done it?
Yes, sir.
All right, so you bring out this equal to now. This first block here. Bring it out and you put it inside the if then's blank space. You remove what is inside this blank space and put it here. Now you bring out the say correct answer and put it inside here like this. And then you can take this one back. So now you have a blank space for the else. You have a blank space for the else. Now, go to your looks and bring out say wrong. Okay, say hello for 2 seconds. Now you change the hello to wrong. For 1 second. Say wrong for 1 second. Now go to your variables. And bring out change question counter by 1. And you put it down here carefully. Look at where I fixed mine. Not inside the else. Put it in between like this. Change question counter by 1. Now, after you have done that, you bring out one more when flag click. You bring out a forever block. And you add an if then inside the forever. Now, if the timer is equals to 0, then stop all scripts. So go to your operators and bring out the equal to 50. So now I've brought out the equal to 50 now. Go to your variable and then you can now bring out the timer variable. The timer variable. So now if timer is equals to 0, change the 50 to 0. Now go to your control section and then you scroll down until you find stop this script. No, in your events, events of control. Make it in control. Okay, you have stop all. Scroll down till you see the stop all button in your control. Click on the all. You will see this script. Scroll down till you see stop all. Click on the all. You will see this script. So now you have stop this script. Bring it out and put it inside the blank space down. Have you guys done it?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's click on the other sprites now. Click on the other sprites. Bring out when flag clicked. When no, take back the when flag click. Sorry. Bring out when I receive say answer. When I receive say answer. When I receive say answer. Then say answer for 1 second. So go to your looks and bring out say hello for 2 seconds. Now, you change the hello there. If you go to sensing, you will see a block called answer in sensing. So say answer for 1 sec. So if you are done with this, you are done with your code. You can click the flag and run the code. So is it working now? Is the timer working? Is everything working? Is everything working now?
Sir, how is this supposed to work?
Okay, let me show you. So it's a quiz game. Let me see. Let me maximize my screen. When you click on the flag, you can see when you click on the flag, it's asking me a question. What is the main character in his class? What is it called? We have A, Pixel, B, Sprite, C, Cody, and D, Blocky. What's the correct answer? What's the correct answer here?
That the correct answer is Sprite.
So Sprite is in option B. So click on B. You type B on your keyboard and click on enter. That's wrong. That's weird.
Sir, when I press the flag, it only puts Sprite.
Sprite, the answer is correct. Let me see what yours is showing. Share your screen. Let me see. Click on the flag again. I mean, there's something wrong with your code. Zoom out. Let me see. Is this how your own is showing the same thing as well? Is this how yours is showing as well?
No, sir. No, sir.
Yours is working.
Yes, sir. But I'm still looking for the Sprite, the second thing put on the side. Say what, sir? The second Sprite. Sir.
All right, stop sharing now. On your laptop sharing.